Welcome aboard. Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is David Sriracha. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Also, right next to the subscribe button is also this little bell icon. If you don't mind, can you just tap it for a little bit? That way every time when I post a new video, you guys can get notified. As you can tell by the title of the video, today we are going to go see what Royal Caribbean Visiting of the Sea Ocean View room look like. I did one on the Liberty of the Sea balcony room, and you guys seem to like that. So today we are going to see what's the difference between the balcony room and this ocean view room. So you ready? Let's go, aka Vamonos. Last year when we went on the Liberty of the Sea, we didn't know what to do, so we had to wait in line for 2 hours. So this year we got smart and we showed up an hour before the cruise depart. So there was no line, just a brief walkthrough and straight to our room. Let's go inside and see how an ocean view room look like. So this room is about 151 square feet compared to the balcony room, which is 199 square feet. Let's go check out the bathroom area. So you have your sink area, towel holder, and toilets. They make sure to remind you that only toilet tissue can go into the toilet. Before we continue, let me wash my hand before you guys say, you touched the toilet and you didn't even wash your hand. Ew.
Pressure is pretty strong.
So this is your shower area. They do provide you with shampoo and conditioner. The only difference between this shower versus the shower in the balcony room is that this one has a shower curtain and the one in the balcony room has a shower curved door. You do have plenty of drawer and shelf space for your toiletry. Let's go check out the closet area. So this is your closet area. You have a couple hanger over here and you have a couple hanger over there. And of course, your life jackets. It's big enough for me to fit inside. There is no steam iron inside the room, so if you need to iron your clothes, you will have to send it up to laundry service. Right next to the closet area, we have the common living room area, where you have a desk, a chair, a TV, and a vanity mirror. They do provide you with a hair blow dryer and facial tissue for in case, you know, if you want to propose to your girlfriend and have allergies while doing it. And there are plenty of space to store your clothes if you don't want to use the closet area. Right above the TV, we have the safe. In the balcony room, the safe was in the closet area. You also have two 110 outlet and two 220 outlet. That sign is there because there's no mini fridge in this room compared to the balcony room. You can move the TV around so you can watch TV from your bed. Right across from the TV, we have a single sofa chair. I can fit myself and my daughter in the chair. In the balcony room, we have a full-size sofa. They do provide you with a foldable crib if you travel with a toddler. Let's talk about the bed. It is two twin beds put together to make a king-size bed. It is not super comfortable, but it will do the job. On each side of the bed, you have a nightstand, which will give you more storage space. And right above it, you have your nightlight. And this is the view you would get from an ocean view room. And this is the view you would get from a balcony room. So altogether, we pay about $400 per person for the ocean view room versus $200 per person for the balcony room. The Visiting of the Sea was a 5-night cruise and the Liberty of the Sea was a 7-night cruise. If you do the math, it's about $91 different per night. Is it worth paying double for the extra space in the balcony? Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you stayed to the end, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit the subscribe button on your way out, and I'll see you soon. Maybe tomorrow.